Hey guys, it's me. So today, I know last video I said we were gonna do a Noi X Reader, but I decided not to because I think I found a story that we would all like. You know the drill. Welcome to A+ Bakugo No Hero Academia fanfic starring Mr. Cranky, Mr. Crispy, and you. Sorry, it's like 7 in the morning. Tired. Stayed up till 1, all that stuff. And I have school today. This romantic story with our two favorite pieces of trash. You'll have a finale for each character and a small dialogue that will follow the events of each ending. If you have any questions, DM me, and don't forget you enjoyed reading. Update if you like blah blah blah. So I'm gonna skip the disclaimers. Okay. Plague. Never again. You held Jin tightly in your hands so that you're easily sliding him with your own body. The air around you was freezing cold, the wind howling at your face, the body in a merciless way, the faint smell of, I don't know what that word is, and gunfire bruised your nostrils as you shivered from both anxiety and rage. Never again you side with those justify hurting the valued. Jin had tears running down his face in steady pace as his chest went up and down heavily. You could feel his struggling heartbeat through the fabric of his bodysuit. Crimson red scratches traced his face brutally. They could easily be mistaken for actions of a large animal. But no, those he had influenced upon himself. Life wasn't black and white. A small platinum pendant you once hung for your neck returned to your hand, now covered in warm blood. You clutched the small object with your shaky palm. Life was unfair. Inhuman powers we were given to the wrong people. First it became a race against time, then others, and now against their own, preying on the weak, criminalizing the powerful, fearing the unknown. You aren't going to be a part of it. You aren't going to play their sick hero game anymore. Footsteps nearby. While the sound of irritation room's metal door opening. Only your eyes. Your eyes drifted up. Your head still resting on your arms as you twiddled with your fingers. Bored, the chief officer walked in, a long sigh leaving his lips with a tired eyes landing on your scroll form. Missy, when the day come when I stop seeing mere unholy hours, his pursuit is lipped at your apathic don't know what that says. Interruption. Running a hand over his wrinkly, worn-out jester. Due to your particular I can't pronounce. You always end up standing in the police station at least twice every week, either for showing crime at these scenes without a warrant or getting caught in the crossfire of an underground conflict. While we were working on one of your cases, just let me uncuff you. I'll get the paperwork done in a moment. He pulled out his keys and freed you from your restraints. Thanked him, you stood up and with a small jump. The interrogation room didn't have the most comfortable stairs in the world. And truth be told, the fact that everyone from the walls to the small table that rested in the middle or made of metal triggered you in some way. What time is it? The officer said, unamused. With an unfriendly enough tone, he put a block and a pen. Meantime, you took your syringe and medical medication out of your coat pocket, then proceeded to inject yourself in the leg swiftly. Disembarred, enraged man, you recall. As your eyes squintly sighted, it was at the power plant. Accident where a group of villains messed up the energy conducts and made the whole thing blow up. So they brought you here because you were hanging up next to the mutilated corpse. You pretended to be offended. I wasn't hanging out. I was working. It was obvious that they tortured him for a reason. But after the explosion, everyone called it a day and reached the apex. And the first time the police don't drive further away, I said. You murmured the last part, earning a sight from the chief officer, who simply rubbed his temples in response. Whatever. I remember not bailing you out for free. So tell me what you got. Yeah. You dismissed his words with a hand motion. Being used to the procedure, you pulled out a piece of paper from your back pocket. Expressed. I can't read the last few words because my voice. If that's okay with you guys. Bye. Bye, my kids. Please tell me what you want next.